Welcome back, guys, to week 4 of our trailer renovation. It has been a very long week, let me tell you. The painting, I cannot stress enough how much time it's actually going to take. I would recommend hitting up your local liquor store and grabbing yourself a bottle of wine, sitting down and just relaxing for a minute because you are going to need it. So we've gone through the trailer now and done 2 coats of paint on top of the primer. You want to make sure your lighting is really good in here when doing that. We have noticed some areas that we've missed after the second coat. And once we've gone through with the proper lighting, we are going to have to add additional paint to those areas.
To prep the cabinets for priming, we cleaned them first with a multi-purpose cleaner that wouldn't leave a residue. Once they were dry, we lifted them off the ground slightly with pieces of wood or styrofoam that we had laying around the shop, and then we sprayed them with the same primer we sprayed the walls. The next step we're taking is we're going to go in and paint all of the cabinetry by hand. The reason that we chose to do this is the cabinetry is going to be one of the most used pieces in the trailer, and it'll give it a more durable finish, whereas a paint sprayer, we can't guarantee it's going to be durable.
Thanks for tuning in this week, guys. Next week's going to be fun. We're going to be adding color to the trailer. We're going to be adding wallpaper. It's going to be very exciting. So make sure that you tune in next week.
Hit that subscribe button.
Cheers! I'm red, aren't I?
Me too.
Do I feel red?
That's the one.
I look red.
I'm just.
Do I look red? I feel red is what I meant to say, not the other way around. Do I feel red? I look red. You might be wondering why we're
Oh shit.
Sorry, John, this is going to be a really hard edit. Your wife did approve us drinking this time, so I apologize in advance.